Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this video, we will be looking into the communications templates in MechanicDesk. Communications templates allow you to edit and customize the emails and messages that you send to your customers and suppliers. To access the communication templates, first log into MechanicDesk and go to Jobs. From here, click on the Communication Templates. Once this has opened, you will see a new form with a list of templates. These will include service reminders, email invoice templates, job done templates, and a few more. Each template allows you to customize how they are presented and what information is shown in the email subject and body, as well as the SMS messages that are sent. To edit these templates is as simple as clicking into the edit fields on each template as shown here. Note that any changes you want to make will require you to click Save to confirm them. Within these templates, you will notice there is some text within the brackets here. These are what's known as variables. Variables will replace the bracketed text with detail from what it is being sent from. For example, this service reminder template will take the vehicle title, customer name, and the next service date. These will be replaced with the details regarding that particular vehicle, that customer's name, and the service date that was previously set. Note that on the right-hand side of these templates is a applicable variables section. This shows all the variables that will work on this template. When inserting the variables, ensure that you are including the percentage and the correct brackets, or you will end up sending messages with things like percentage name in brackets in the message. It is recommended that you update your communication templates so that you are sending out a more personalized email and to make your emails different to other workshops on the system. Having a more tailored message will also reduce the risk of your emails being categorized as spam and being missed by your customer. This concludes our video on communications templates. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at support@mechanicdesk.com.au.